Waking up in the morning and realizing you can start burning belly fat before even stepping out of bed sounds too good to be true, right? But what if I told you that you don't need a gym, heavy weights, or even a yoga mat to start working on your dream waistline? That's right. Today, I'm going to show you 3 powerful belly fat burning workouts that you can do right in the comfort of your bed. No more excuses, no more procrastination, just simple, effective moves that can help you sculpt your midsection and boost your metabolism before your feet even touch the floor. If you're ready to take your morning routine to the next level, stay with me until the end, because these exercises are not only easy, but also incredibly effective. Now let's get straight into it. The first exercise is a game changer for engaging your core and waking up your muscles. Leg raises. Lying flat on your back, keep your hands by your sides or tuck them slightly under your lower back for support. Slowly lift both legs up towards the ceiling, keeping them as straight as possible. Then lower them down without touching the bed. The key here is control, no fast, jerky movements. By maintaining slow and steady motion, you're forcing your lower abs to work hard, which is exactly what we want when targeting belly fat. If this feels too challenging, start by bending your knees slightly or lifting one leg at a time. Aim for 15 to 20 repetitions to really fire up your core. Next, we're moving into an exercise that's fun, effective, and will give you that deep core burn. The bicycle crunch. Still lying on your back, place your hands lightly behind your head and lift your legs, bending them at a 90-degree angle. Now, bring your right elbow towards your left knee while extending your right leg straight, then switch sides in a pedaling motion. It's important to engage your core, not your neck, so avoid pulling on your head. Focus on twisting from your waist to activate those obliques, the muscles on the sides of your stomach that help create that defined look. Not only does this move target your abs, but it also adds a cardio element, helping to burn calories and melt away belly fat. Keep this going for about 30 seconds to a minute, feeling that satisfying burn as your abs start to wake up. Finally, we have an exercise that might look simple, but is incredibly effective, the reverse crunch. This move focuses on your lower abs, which are often the toughest to tone. Lying on your back, bring your knees in towards your chest, keeping your feet together. Now lift your hips off the bed, curling them towards your rib cage while squeezing your abs. Slowly lower back down with control, ensuring you're not using momentum, but rather engaging your core throughout the movement. This exercise is fantastic for strengthening the lower belly area, which tends to hold the most stubborn fat. Try to complete 15 to 20 reps, and if you're up for the challenge, hold the top position for a second or two before lowering. Now here's the best part. These exercises don't just help burn belly fat, they also improve core strength, posture, and overall body stability. And the fact that you can do them in bed means there are absolutely no barriers between you and a fitter, healthier body. Imagine starting your day with just a few minutes of these movements, feeling energized, engaged, and already one step closer to your fitness goals. Pair this with a healthy diet, proper hydration, and consistency, and you'll start seeing results sooner than you think. So, there you have it, the top 3 belly fat burning workouts that you can do in bed. No equipment, no excuses, just a few minutes of effort to sculpt your core and boost your metabolism. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more fitness tips, and let me know in the comments which of these exercises you're going to try first. Stay consistent, stay motivated, and I'll see you in the next one.